It's time again for another Ravaged review. That's Ravaged with a D. Ravaged. Because I ravaged them, yes. And because of my name is Ravage. So, this week, we have whatever piece of crap this is supposed to be. Transformers Generations Cybertronian Soundwave. From the hit game War for Cybertron. Which was a piece of crap. Because I wasn't in it. Come on. I lived in that bro all that time, and now what do I get? Nothing. So let's look at the packaging. Oh wait, again, nobody cares. Oh wait, you want to see the package? Okay, here's the package. See it? See it? Here's the package. So here he is in robot mode, if you want to call it that. Look at the size of those bosoms. You can fit like 6 or 7 tapes in there. Yes, you have a big knocker, Soundwave. Soundwave's boob superior. Pamela Anderson inferior. Oh yes. But seriously, it smells in there, trust me. I lived in there for years. So to show you the detail, I have hired a new helping hand. Come here, handy helper guy. So here's the detail or whatever. As you can see, he's got red eyes. Big whoop. He's got a gold and blue bra. Big whoop. He's got this teeny tiny little gun. No surprises there. You know what I mean. And, so got the wheel thingies with the Atari symbol on the side. And there's some more crap on the back. So the only thing that really surprises me about this thing is how small it is. That's what she said. No, really, that is what she said. There was this one time. I can't tell that story here? Okay, no, never mind. Maybe for next time, I will tell you the story. But in the end, seriously, he was like trying to kill the scrappers with the shampoo for like 6 days. Seriously, it was bad. Technically, Unicron or Primus or whatever, depending on what you're watching on the show or reading in the books. One of them is my daddy. So, he's more like my nursemaid. So yes, Soundwave the nursemaid. That sounds like a plot for a Nick at Night show, doesn't it? So my happy helping hands will do the reviewing for me since I have no hands of my own. I had to hire 2 of them because I could not, do this with just one. So, the articulation. His head will rotate around. Rotate the head. As you can see, will not go up and down, that's pretty much it. The gun will just move just a little bit. His arm will rotate at the shoulder, but it's all sticky and stuff because of this crap on the back. It will rotate at the bicep. It goes up and down. The hand will rotate. It's a bit stiff. Yes, that's what she said, yes. He's got no waist, but he will up and down a little bit there. He rotates at the thigh, up and down, rotates again, and right there, bends at blah blah blah, bends at the knee, ankle pivot, whatever. It's got these funky, chunky heels. Must have bought these shoes from Payless, because they are pure crap, let me tell you. Ah yes, the good old-fashioned flat-chested days. I remember before he got those implants. There was only room for one of us in there at the time. The cartoon was a total lie. There was only one of us in there. That was just called good editing, or bad editing, depending on your opinion. So this is how it looks against this one. This one is bigger. That's not what she said, trust me. That one is smaller, just by a little bit. But the colors are close to the same. No die cast. No deal. Sadly enough, this one over here has probably got good articulation for like a really old toy. I mean, yes, he's old, trust me. But the heads, the eyes have changed from yellow to red, overcompensating shoulder blade things. And he rolls now. Soundwave always flew before, now he just drives on the ground. Who said that was a good idea? What, wait, you want to see the transformation? No, I have no, these are my arms. They look like the nipples of a cow. As soon as Big Bad Toy Store sends me a body, maybe then I can transform. But for now, we'll just do it the way they did in the old cartoon. The transition music. Da-da-da-da-da-da. What the is that supposed to be? It's an Insecticon with wheels. That's what it is. I don't know what this is supposed to be. A scary bulldozer. I don't know, and I don't care. It doesn't look like a tape player, because it's not. The guns, you know, that's pretty cool to put the guns on the side like this. I guess you could flip them around and make rockets out of them, or... There's nothing much you can do to make this a better figure. My opinion is good in robot, not so good in not robot. Still, it's nice that Atari paid to put this symbol on the side there. That was very nice of them. I'm sure we enjoyed their money. I know I did. He's about the same length and size as the original, which is really weird because the robot is not anywhere near the same size. So apparently you can fit a lot more bot into this thing than you can into that. But isn't that nice? Look, this is the Toys R Us exclusive double-breasted version. You can put 2 tapes in there. Ah, Laserbeak. That piece of always in the front of the chest. Always put Ravage in the back. Never get to be in the front. Who's in the front? Laserbeak. Always Laserbeak. Hit that thing for me. Hit it again. That's enough. No, one more time. I will be giving away... Oh, look, he made his bra move. That's that. So everyone knows Soundwave shops at Victoria's Secret. Shh, it's a Victoria's Secret, so it's a secret. This thing is now going to be a prize for my channel here. That's right, you can win the Toys R Us exclusive double-breasted Soundwave. Okay, so here's the thing. I need subscribers. I need lots of them. More people need to appreciate me. So, you get me subscribers, I will give you this thing. I don't know how it's going to work yet, but trust me, it will be worth it. Because I will win either way. You subscribe to me, you might win a prize. You put a comment up below that says, I subscribed. And I will check and see if you subscribed. You'll find some way to prove that you got me more subscribers, and you'll get a better chance at winning. Still, I don't know how that will work, but we will see. And this thing, if you want this piece of junk here, you can go to John 3.0's channel, and their contest there will be coming up soon if it's not already out now. And go there and leave a comment, a caption thing on the picture or whatever, and you can win the piece of crap Soundwave. But you can win this one at the other channel and win this one here. So, either way, subscribe. That's all I'm trying to say. Give me your money. Subscribe to me. Subscribe to me. BKBN. Yes. Check out my big kitten, big nipples. Ah, yes.